Hey everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to unpublish your Weebly website. Whether you are taking a break from your site or making major changes, unpublishing it is an easy way to make sure that it's not visible to the public. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. Log into your credentials to access your Weebly dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the hamburger option, which is located at the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, click on the website option and edit site option. And once you are redirected to website page, click on the edit option. Now that you are in the Weebly editor, look for the setting option on the top of the sidebar. Click on it. Within your setting, scroll to the bottom of the page where you can see the option saying publish. This site is not currently published, so that you can't unpublish it, but if your site is already published, you can unpublish your site. A confirmation message will pop up. Just click unpublish again and your site will no longer be visible to the public. And that's it. Now you know how to unpublish your Weebly website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.